In this video, you'll learn how to force restart your Pixel Watch 3. This process is particularly useful when your watch becomes unresponsive, allowing you to regain control quickly and efficiently. Begin by holding your Pixel Watch 3 in your hand and locate the crown and side button, which are essential for controlling power functions. It is important to ensure that the watch has some battery life before proceeding with this method. Position your fingers comfortably on both buttons, preparing for the restart action. Next, press and hold both the crown and side buttons simultaneously. Maintain pressure on both buttons until the screen turns off completely. Continue to hold the buttons until you see the Google logo appear on the display. This visual cue indicates that the watch is in the process of restarting. Be careful not to release the buttons too early, as doing so may prevent the forced restart from working correctly. After the Google logo appears, you can release both buttons. It is essential to wait for the watch to reboot fully. During this time, the system will load all necessary functions and features. This waiting period is crucial as it allows the watch to reset any temporary issues that may have caused it to become unresponsive. Once the reboot process is complete, check to see if the issue has been resolved. Your Pixel Watch 3 should now function normally. If problems persist, further troubleshooting may be necessary, but this method often resolves. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.